Hindu religion is idol to us all. Guru Chaitra, in particular, is scientific expression of spirituality. Take this, Guru Chaitra in English.
Thank you. Excuse me?
Yes?
Which number seat?
Seat number 11.
Thank you.
बघितलं का तुमच्या पलीकडच्यानी सुद्धा स्वीकारलंय आमचं सगळं सायंटिफिक एक्सप्रेशन ऑफ स्पिरिच्युअलिटी.